The dropshipping Bunnies dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method involving three elements: store owner, vendor, and customer. The customer orders from the online store and the online store orders from the vendor, who sends the product to the customer using your details. The key points of dropshipping are: you can set up your prices, you earn profit without having upfront funds or touching any inventories, you buy wholesale, so you can price the products higher and make a profit. What are the advantages of dropshipping? It is easy to start. You do not need money, experience, or inventory. It is very convenient. No revenue loss, no packaging or shipping. It is of minimal risk, but you need a quality vendor and website. You gain knowledge, you can test and sell more products with less risk. You have access to a passive source of income. What are the disadvantages of drop shipping? You have no control over packaging, you have no control on vendors, and you have no control over customer service. How do you start? Before you start, you need to draw up a business plan, tax preparation, marketing plan, branding. There are 5 steps you need to take before launching your business. Choose a business name, choose your products, find a quality vendor, pricing your products, websites and policy show. Do you choose your products? You need to consider these steps when choosing products. Is your product solving a customer need? Go with your personal passion. Consider your professional experience. Check out trending products. Read customer reviews on existing products. Research products with higher profit margins. The 5 must-haves of our vendors: fast shipping at reasonable price, ideally between 5 to 7 days. Good communication services. Wholesale prices for profit margins. Quality products to avoid bad reviews. Customization of your logo. It is worthy to note that you can communicate with vendors via Alibaba, WhatsApp, or email. You need to order some samples from the vendor to ascertain about the quality of the products. Check delivery time and customer services. Order about 5 to 8 samples, different products from the vendor to get an accurate idea about the quality of their products. Use PayPal to avoid being scammed. Please note, when ordering samples, remember to put in the vendor's notes during checkout that this is a drop shipping order. Please do not include any marketing materials or invoices from the samples you ordered. You need to clarify the following: did the vendor deliver on time? Is the product of good quality? Did the packaging have the vendor's location? Is the product true to size and length? You will need these apps to optimize your drop shipping store. Ali Reviews. You can import your vendor reviews onto your website. Oberlo can give you products in your store. Social proof. Sales Pop show you are an authentic store. If you can follow these guides, you are on course for a successful and profitable drop shipping business.